Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a crypto wallet app. A crypto wallet is essential for managing your digital assets, acting as a secure interface for your cryptocurrencies. We will cover the fundamental differences between hot wallets, which are connected to the internet, and cold wallets, offering offline security. Understanding these basics is your first step towards safely navigating the world of digital finance and protecting your investments. Setting up your crypto wallet app is straightforward but requires attention to detail. First, select a trusted app from a well-known provider. Next, create a robust password and always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Most importantly, carefully record your recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase, and store it in a very secure, offline location. This phrase is your only way to restore access if you lose your device. Performing transactions with your crypto wallet app is simple once you understand the process. To receive cryptocurrency, you'll need to share your public wallet address. When sending, carefully enter the recipient's address and the amount. Be aware of transaction fees, which can fluctuate. Always double-check all details before confirming any transfer, as crypto transactions are irreversible. A small mistake can lead to permanent loss of funds. Maintaining the security of your crypto wallet is paramount. Always keep your wallet app updated to benefit from the latest security patches. For larger holdings, consider investing in a hardware wallet, which offers superior offline protection. Remember, never share your private keys or recovery phrase with anyone. Also, for staying refreshed throughout your day, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.